What we're showing here now, how you could use EMC Documentum for SAP purchasing process. So you continue to use SAP for what it's very good at, transactional processing, and you add the power of Documentum for all unstructured content management. So if you start early in the process here, you can see how you, from the purchase requisition object in SAP, you want to add an Excel spreadsheet. This Excel spreadsheet you use as part of your process to create this purchase requisition. So from here, you go into the SAP object and you say, I want to add a document from the file system. And you pick it up the file from the file system. And doing so, you're also given the possibility to give descriptive data about this document. So that will help you later on to find this information. And also you can apply consistent retention policies for all your unstructured content. Now we'll go into the next step in the process. We have a contract. So the contract was created by SAP. It was sent out to your vendor. They signed it and they returned it to your company as a paper. And what you want to do is to avoid storing that in a file cabinet somewhere. You want to store it with your SAP process. So what I'm showing here is that we can easily scan this information and link it up into SAP process. So in this case, we're using an ad hoc scanning standing next to you on your work desk. So you put in your contract in the scanner and you go to SAP object and say scan, and that's basically all that is needed. Of course, you could use your mailroom scanner as well, and that could help you auto-populate all these incoming documents into the right places and link that up to the SAP process. So now we created this scan file, and in a similar way to view purchase requisition, I can also add descriptive data about this information. So name, document type, description, and again, that will help you later on to find this information. Now we go to the next step in the process. So we go to the purchase order. Purchase order in SAP is typically something that SAP has created and is being sent out as an outgoing document. You can use this repository to archive these documents in, and then you can use either SAP or the Documentum system to retrieve it. So from here then, you can go to this services for object and display documents, and here you have an option. You can choose just the outgoing purchase order file, and from here you can select it, you can view it, you can send this out as an email again. So if your vendors are calling and say, I lost my file, can you send this back to us? You can easily find that within a matter of seconds and send it to them as an email. Using Documentum, you also have access to extensive functionality, for example, redlining markup. So you can do easily annotations on your documents to collaborate either internally or externally with this information. And all information stored in Documentum will be able to store metadata to describe it. You can also, from the purchase order object in SAP, choose to say that not just showing the purchase order file itself, but showing all the associated documents, showing the purchase requisition, the signed contract, and also all correspondence, which is important for all these decisions being made throughout the process. So from here you have access to all information throughout the process, both during the process itself and also many years afterwards until it will be deleted. The integration also gives you a way to update information in case you need it. And everything is being updated in a new version, so nothing is being removed or deleted, but you will have a full audit trail of all things going on. And from here you can see a number of attributes being saved and stored with each document. And it's a matter of choice how much you want to surface up to the end users. Here in this case, we have automatically said that the information being created should be stored for like 10 years. And after 10 years, you can make a decision should be deleted or saved or reviewed. And that concludes our demo of today. Thank you.